Targeting your traffic. Hello, welcome and thanks for choosing this video course. In this video, I'll be talking about targeting your traffic. What's better, 1,000 uninterested random visitors or 100 eager and engaged customers? Definitely, it's the 100 engaged customers. The problem is, people too often focus on getting more new visitors to their sites. That's actually not a bad thing, and I'm not asking you to stop focusing on traffic. It's just that you have to know about the difference between visitors and customers. Whether your goal is to increase traffic or to increase conversions. Yes, it's important to gain visitors in order for your site to reach out and farther. But it is also essential for you to make sure these visitors get converted into customers who buy your products. There are plenty of traffic analytic tools on the internet that you can use to analyze your traffic, their geography, their behavior, their preference, and many more aspects in order to target and customize your post accordingly. When we set up our blog, we often ask to set up any traffic analytics for our blog, and most of the newbie bloggers don't know why it's important to set up an analytic like Google Analytics on their blog. In this module, I'm going to tell you how you can increase traffic using the Google Analytics stats. Google Analytics is a free tool provided by Google that gives you detailed information about the visitors to your blog. Information like the new visitors, the amount of time they spend on your posts, the number of pages they visited, and also the source from where they access your blog or website. It's free to sign up for this tool, but you just need to have a Google account. That's free too. A lot of internet marketers use this tool to analyze their traffic. Google Analytics is extremely simple to use and it provides amazing statistics. First, let's see what the pages that gain the most traffic on your blog or website. Then the concept here is pretty straightforward. We need to find out which pages are attracting the most traffic and then improve them more in order to increase your traffic. So let's discover the secret to improving search engine marketing. I'll be showing you step by step how to use Google Analytics to increase your traffic. Step 1. Sign into your Google Analytics account and connect it with Google Webmaster Tools. You can then track your rankings, the number of impressions your listings are gaining, and also click-through rates. Step 2. On your dashboard, look for the navigation option Acquisition. Click on it. Then you'll click on Search Engine Optimization, and followed by Queries. A window like this should appear next. Click on Set up Webmaster Tools Data Sharing, and go through the steps Google will walk you through. Step 4. Upon completion, you can head back to the Search Engine Optimization, where you will now have the access to 3 reports, queries, landing pages, and a geographical summary of your traffic. And from here, you can analyze and customize your website according to the reports. And from here, you can analyze and customize your website according to 3 reports, namely Queries Report, Landing Page Report, and Geographical Summary. In the Queries Report, you can see your website's keyword rankings, click-through rates, and impressions. Identify the keywords with the most number of impressions you are receiving. The most effective way to increase your traffic is by increasing your click-through rate or CTR. Improve your CTR by customizing your page titles, descriptions, and keywords you use. Keep your titles approximately within 50 to 60 characters and descriptions within 200 characters. Too long of a text will risk you losing readers because most people only skim for their interest. Focus on creating powerful and effective keywords that are related to the keywords you are getting the most traffic from. A great strategy to improve your ranking is to sculpt your descriptions and page titles with the same keywords. Similar to the Queries Report, the Landing Pages Report gives you an insight to your most visited pages, showing you the number of impressions and click-through rates as well. Looking at this report, you should be able to identify the aspects you can improve your search engine traffic. Optimize your page according to what gives the highest impressions rate, and also CTR. Make sure you use the similar keywords or phrases within your titles, landing page text, and description tag. Create social sharing icons that are user benefit driven to attract readers into your site. Some examples of the most click-through keywords analyzed using the Google Webmaster Tools are how to, you, best, why, tricks, and free. Use these words in your title and description tag to increase your CTR. Geographical summary. This report shows you where your traffic's coming from. Identify where most of your readers are coming from. You have the option of targeting on just one country or the whole world. You can customize your postings according to the time zone of your readers' whereabouts. Plan your posting to the hours where most readers would be online and up about to catch your instant posting. This will increase your CTR and help your sales. Another way to make use of this report is to cater your posts to specific countries that score the highest number of impressions. You can increase your traffic by translating your site into different languages to cater to your readers of different nationality.